Okay, good morning. Another day, another dollar. We had a great time at the mountain farmhouse. But now we're back to work. So I gotta continue with the ceiling, of course. But just a couple of clips. Also, the other thing I need to do, hopefully it doesn't rain, because right now the weather is absolutely fantastic. Look at this beautiful blue sky we didn't have for a long time. But one thing we need to do as well is clean the entrance. It's terrible. There's grass everywhere, thick grass. I can't see my gravel, I can't see my sand anymore. Look at that. And also I need to clear the driveway. You see there's more soil coming down. So I need to do something about that. Okay, today we're gonna make the rest of the holders, but I'm gonna make a little bit different. I learned something on the couple of first one I did, so I will show you how I'm gonna build them. I know some people say you can use wire, but wire will have tendency to wobble, and I don't want that. I want something really sturdy, doesn't move, and can hold that piece across straight up. So wires won't do the job. So okay, let's make some more of those and install them. And I'm gonna film everything, just a couple of clips to show you, that's it. So I don't bore you. Also, when I start attaching the all my metal stud for the ceiling to the roof trusses, I use this one here, but this is very flimsy. It's not really strong. So I'm going to use the leftover of the pieces across, and this is much more rigid. I prefer to use that, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to make quite a few of them and just install it. Also, I need to do something in the middle where the light is. It's got to be strong there. If you're going to put a ceiling fan or anything like this, it's got to be made a certain way. Ran out just now. Okay, I put a new one there. It's much better, much more rigid. Right, now this support channel is on the right position. Just have to put support all along, but I'm not going to do that now. But what I'm going to do is to do the same thing on this side here. So I need to cut new support. They will be much longer, and that's okay. And then I will bring the bench here to work all along. That's 1 inch. Well, that's the one I installed the best, I think. I like this one, it's good. Nice and sturdy. I need to redo the other one on the other hand, I'll show you why. See, I didn't use that G-clamp, but look in between. It's not tightened together, it has a gap. So I need to redo this one and put the G-clamp. Yeah, no good. That's no good. Okay, good morning. Bella and I, we're ready to go shopping. A couple of things for the bedroom projects. And of course we need to eat. Groceries and stuff. She's happy.
Hi, baby. What are you doing at the back? You don't need me anymore. Come here. You copy what mommy's saying. Hi, guys. You happy? Yes.
They had the string and they were all jumping. Bella wants the red shoes. Yes? Yes.
I know she wants to. You cannot wear that.
You want the red shoes? Yes, okay. She loves it. Okay, we're here now. Jem needs some thing for art. Now I have to put up with Bella until Jem finish. Ah. My baby, so beautiful. Oh, very good.
Thank you. Mommy beautiful now? Yeah? Okay? Okay? She know how to open and to close.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's a big girl and smart.
Okay?
Okay, good morning. Just finished the live stream. I'm hungry. Time for breakfast. Let's go. Is that your breakfast, my love? Cutie. Jem made my breakfast.
Sana all! I'm on a breakfast! Sana all! Yes,
That's it.
Mom.
Oh, look at this. Look what we bought yesterday.
Sana all!
Beautiful. How much? Huh? Still fish.
This.
No, I don't.
Eat a bit. I test. I can't eat. You love it? Oh yeah, she cried for it. Oh my god.
This is nice. Need to buy a small cover. Okay, it's not so much. It's not hot. It's good. So I could eat this one, but in moderation. That's it. Okay, we're glad the rain stopped, but another tree fall. I don't know if you can see it in the middle of the screen, the banana tree fall. Okay, Jim's doing a bit of a cleanup. Yeah, not sure what that tree was about.
Fall the fruit soon.
Yeah, I saw. That's the root of the tree in the middle of the screen. Oh well, it's dead.
But it's
It's
good.
not much root.
No, the root is like that, but
Too much water, huh?
the soil, no much soil,
Yeah.
and it's get fruit soon.
Oh no! You had bananas.
This is cassava. I don't know if get some rot trapped here.
Chinese music. Okay, that job so much easier. Yoo-hoo! People are happy. Okay, it's gonna be so much easier now. Okay, yesterday I bought heaps of those. I got 50 here, so I'm not gonna miss any. 6 peso each. Yeah, that was a quick one. It's good. So that's how I will do it if I were you. Now you can always set this up. See, this looks a little bit low. Maybe not. It looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Okay. But so much easier to work on the table, on that bench. Much easier, much faster. Okay, going on top of that bench. Yeah, the work has gone much faster. All this side's finished, and almost the other side. Just a couple of holes missing, but gone pretty quick. And I didn't work many hours today. So it's good. Get in there. Yeah, I was supposed to cut the grass today, but it's been sprinkling and rainy at one stage, so it's all wet. It's too hard. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.